Konnichiwa minasan. Today, we'll talk about the grammar points uchi ni, aida ni, and aida. These grammar points may have similarity in terms of nuances and could be confusing at times. But in this video, we'll tackle the usage and differences of each other. Dewa hajimete tadakimasu. Uchi ni. It can be translated as while, before, or during the time. It focuses on activity within a window of opportunity, situation, or condition. It often highlights the urgency of an action. You can use it in a sentence by using plain form of the verb, e adjective, na adjective, noun plus no modifier. As mentioned before, uchini often highlights the urgency of an action before a certain change happens. Let's take a look at this example. Wakai uchi ni kaigai ni sundemitai desu. Wakai uchi ni kaigai ni sundemitai desu. I want to live abroad while I'm still young. Unfolding an event naturally during a course of an action. Tatoeba, hon o yun de iru uchi ni nemoku nate shimaimashita. Hon o yun de iru uchi ni nemoku nate shimaimashita. While I was reading a book, I ended up falling asleep. Just a tip to remember, this grammar pattern was derived from the word uchi, meaning inside or within. So, we can say uchi ni is like doing things inside a certain time or state. See this example. Urikireru uchi ni ninki no gemu o yoyaku shimashita. Urikireru uchi ni ninki no gemu o yoyaku shimashita. I reserved the popular game before it gets sold out. Aida ni. It can also be translated as during, within, or before a certain action. You may use it to describe an action that happens within a specific period of time or while a situation is ongoing. As we notice, uchi ni emphasizes the urgency of an action. However, aida ni focuses on the time frame rather than the action itself. Aida ni can be used to emphasize a specific period of time. It can describe an action that must be completed before a specific or certain time frame. Tatoeba, repoto o sanju pon aida ni owarasete kudasai. Repoto o sanju pon aida ni owarasete kudasai. Please finish the report within 30 minutes. As you notice, this sentence emphasizes the time frame more than the state or action itself. Next, it can also emphasize a situation that is ongoing. It may describe an action that happens within a state or activity that continues. Tatoeba, kodomo ga nete iru aida ni sentaku wo shimashita. Kodomo ga nete iru aida ni sentaku wo shimashita. I did the laundry while the child was sleeping. So as you notice, it focuses on completing an action while the other condition is still happening. Before a situation ends. Similar to uchini, however, this focuses more on the duration of the action rather than the activity itself. Tatoeba, Natsuyasumi no aida ni ichidoki seishitai desu. Natsuyasumi no aida ni ichidoki seishitai desu. I want to go home to see my family once during summer vacation. Now let's proceed with another grammar point, aida. It can be translated as between or during. It is used to refer to a period of time or interval between two events, space, or relationship. Most of the time, We add the particle no to indicate the possessive state of the sentence, emphasizing the interval. Aida can be used to describe the period when a situation is ongoing. It is used to explain when something happened or what was true during a certain period. Tatweba, Shigoto no Aida, watashi wa suto ofiso ni imasu. Shigoto no Aida, watashi wa suto ofiso ni imasu. I stay in the office the whole time during work. Take note, it focuses on the duration of ongoing situation. As I mentioned, Aida can literally means between. It can be translated to the time between two events or points. It refers to the interval between two things, which can describe as time, space, or relationship. Katoeba, Tokyo to Osaka no Aida o Shinkansen de idoshimasu. Tokyo to Osaka no Aida o Shinkansen de idoshimasu. I travel between Tokyo and Osaka by bullet train. Next, for a duration of, it describes how long a state or action lasts. Tatoeba, Mika Aida, Ryoko ni ikimasu. Mika Aida, Ryoko ni ikimasu. I will go on trip for 3 days. Take note, when referring to the length of time, Aida is
Just a
often
quick tip.
attached directly to the
Think of
number
Aida as a
without the
space
no
or time
particle. Between or within things. It is like a container for events. While when you add ni, if you want to emphasize putting an action inside that container, like doing something during or within that time. Just to do a recap, Uchini emphasized the urgency of an action before a situation or state changes. Idoni emphasizes the measurable time frame or period during an activity. Ida literally means between and can be used as a noun modifier to emphasize the interval between two things, points, or situation. So there you go. Let's put things in practice and feel free to pause the video if it's necessary. Otsukura-sama deshita. Video no mute o arigatou gozaimashita.